In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, glycogen is a polysaccharide and is a storage product in animals. Thus, A matches with 4. Globulins form antibodies, which are also known as immunoglobulins. Thus, B matches with 3. Now, steroids form hormones like testosterone. Thus, C matches with 1. And tropin is a biocatalyst which converts soluble fibrinogen to insoluble fibrin. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option C. Options A, B, and D are incorrect as these options include incorrect combinations.